Owners have such good rates that they will never sell. That all real estate agents are the same. It's better to price your home on the higher side than to leave room for negotiation. Are you hearing all sorts of crazy advice about the 2024 housing market? From waiting for prices to crash, right, to holding out for lower mortgage rates? Listen, there's a lot of misinformation out there, but you came here to find out what's the real deal, right? So in this video, we're busting the biggest myths that could be holding you back from making a smart move in the real estate game, okay? So whether you're a buyer or a seller or an investor, or you're just simply curious, right? You need to know the truth. So let's dive into it right now. Let's go. If this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Marlon here with my team. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you. That's right, just like you looking to make that move to Chicago. And we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, don't hesitate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to the city of Chicago. But let's get into these myths. So the first myth that we're tackling today is the idea that you should wait to move until the mortgage rates fall. I get it, right? The idea of snagging a lower rate sounds great, sounds really sweet, but listen, here's the deal. Trying to time the market is like trying to predict the weather. You might get lucky, but chances are you won't, right? Experts say that the rates may come down, but they also say that working with a trusted professional is a better strategy than just simply sitting and waiting around, right? So next up, we have the myth that you'll get a better deal if the prices crash, right? Let's talk about the reality. Prices are not crashing, right? Data shows that the prices are still rising, just at a slower pace. So just simply sitting and waiting around could actually cost you more money in the long run, right? So if you're ready to buy, don't sit around hoping for the market to dip, right? Make that move now. Now, I've heard people say, I won't be able to find anything to buy because the inventory is so low. Okay, it is true that the inventory has been tight lately, right? But here's the good news, right? Wait for it, right? The supply of homes is actually growing this year, right? Believe it or not, more options are becoming available, so don't be discouraged, right? Keep looking. You might find exactly what you're looking for at the right time, okay? Let's switch gears to those who are thinking about actually selling their home or their property, right? There's a myth that it's better to price your home on the higher side than to leave room for negotiation. But listen, here's the deal, right? Pricing your home too high can actually hurt your chances if buyers think your home is overpriced, right? It might just sit on the market and then you're stuck here, wondering what to do, making price adjustments, which just isn't ideal, right? The best move is to work with an agent who knows the market and can help you price your home just right, okay? So speaking of agents, let's address another myth that all real estate agents are the same, right? I never understood this one, okay? This couldn't be further from the truth. Yes, the basic process of buying and selling is similar, but an agent's approach to this, their negotiation skills, their connections can vary widely, okay? So they can also make the process smoother, help you get a better deal, and they usually are more pleasant to work with, right? So, which can make a big difference. So take your time, find a realtor that fits just right for you. Finally, let's talk about a myth that's been making rounds globally, okay? Owners have such good rates that they will never sell. Now, it is true that many homeowners locked in some unbeatable interest rates a couple years ago, right? And from their perspective, giving up those low and long-term rates just doesn't make any sense, right? And I get it, you probably get it as well. But here's the thing, there's something called life. And that happens, right? People get new jobs, they have to relocate, families grow, they need more space, right? Sometimes they want to move to a better school district. Retirees often downsize or move to warmer clients. Makes a lot of sense, right? Seniors might have to move closer to family or transition into assisted living homes, right? These life events means that homes will continue to come to the market despite the low rates that these owners have. So don't be discouraged. If you're in the market to buy, there will always be opportunities that will continue to show up, okay? So there you have it, right? 6 big myths about the 2024 housing market just busted, okay? The market can be tricky, but with the right information, you can make the best decisions for you and your situation. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need to hear this, right? Because many people need to hear this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any more content like this and you can stay up to date. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.